This is my small anvil that I bought last week. From a scrapyard I was able to get this old pulling hook, whatever it's called in English. I don't know from which car, I think it's a Skoda Felicia. And I will cut it off here and make it fitting, so it fits in here. So we have some more options with the anvil. Good enough. Now quench it in the water. It's quite hot. Okay, I'll let it cool off here, and that's it. I'll put it in like this. The reason why I didn't put this straight is because I noticed that this one has a flat top with some numbers on it. So I thought I want a round top, so I'll put it like this, and I still can work all around it if needed. So it's a bit warped, but that doesn't mind. I don't mind that. It's a good fit. I'm no professional anyway, so this will suffice for what I do. I'm pretty sure of that. Thank you for watching, and bye.